T-minus 30 seconds.
T-minus 20. T-minus 15. T-minus 10.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines ignited. And we have liftoff of SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and Dragon. CRS-4 is underway. A U.S. commercial spacecraft launching from American soil delivers new science and technology to the International Space Station.
First stage propulsion performing nominally.
At 1 minute, 13 seconds after liftoff, the Falcon 9 will reach supersonic speed, passing through the area of maximum aerodynamic pressure. 10 seconds later.
T plus 60 seconds, altitude 5.8 kilometers, speed 250 meters per second, downrange distance 0.8 kilometers. Vehicles flying down the nominal. Vehicles reach maximum aerodynamic pressure.
First stage for propulsion is still nominal.
Power system still nominal. Telemetry lock solid.
One minute, 55 seconds into flight of Dragon. And all systems performing well on the Falcon.
Impact chilling has begun.
T plus 2 minutes, 10 seconds. Altitude 38 kilometers, speed 1.16 kilometers per second, downrange distance 19 kilometers.
Standing by for first stage cutoff, main engine cutoff, 20 seconds from now.
T plus 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Altitude 61 kilometers, speed 1.9 kilometers per second, downrange distance 40 kilometers.
Stage separation confirmed.
And we've had main engine cutoff and stage separation.
And we have ignition.
The second stage single Merlin vacuum engine has ignited.
3 minutes, altitude 93 kilometers, speed 2.12 kilometers per second, downrange distance 79 kilometers.
This will be about a 7-minute burn, bringing Dragon into low Earth orbit. Fairing jettison.
Stage 2 propulsion is nominal.
Stage 1 and Stage 2 power system still nominal.
T plus 4 minutes, 25 seconds. Altitude 156 kilometers. Speed 2.5 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 193 kilometers. Acquisition signal, New Hampshire.
Five minutes, 20 seconds after launch. All Falcon systems continuing to deliver as expected. About 4 minutes before second stage engine cutoff.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
T plus 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Altitude 202 kilometers. Speed 3.7 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 420 kilometers.
Nominal telemetry on both stage 1 and stage 2.
3 minutes remaining in the stage 2 burn.
Stage 2 prop is still nominal.
Seven minutes, 30 seconds into flight.
T plus 7 minutes, 30 seconds. Altitude 210 kilometers. Speed 4.7 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 610 kilometers.
Ninety seconds remain in powered flight. Eight minutes, 45 seconds into the flight of Falcon 9 and Dragon. Standing by for second stage engine cutoff in 34 seconds.
FTS has been saved.
T plus 9 minutes. Altitude 207 kilometers. Speed 6.7 kilometers per second. Downrange distance 925 kilometers. Vehicles and terminal guidance. Engine cutoff.
Engine cutoff as planned. 30 seconds away from Dragon deployment.
Orbital altitude at insertion, 359 by 199 kilometers, inclined 51.644 degrees to the equator.
Newfoundland acquisition of signal.
Dragon separation confirmed.
And Dragon is flying free. On its way to the International Space Station. Due date, Tuesday, 7:04 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll be standing by for solar array deploy. "12 minutes after liftoff. And we're watching the beginnings of solar array deploy.
Lost signal at the New Hampshire tracking station. Continue to receive excellent data from the Newfoundland tracking station on second stage.